Are you wondering how to get perfectly level footage on your DJI Osmo Action 6? Well, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on horizon balancing so your footage stays level even when your camera tilts. So no fluff, just the stuff. Let's dive right into this tutorial. Alright, so on your DJI Osmo Action 6, first off, make sure that your video mode is selected. So on your screen, you can swipe to the side and you can go through, make sure your video mode is selected. And at the bottom here, you can see your resolution, your frame rate, and then RS, which stands for rock steady. That's what we're changing to horizon balancing today. So 4K 60 rock steady. Now we'll just go ahead and tap there. Again, you can change your resolution and frame rate. And then in the top right hand corner, this is where you would go. So again, rock steady standard is turned on for myself. So I'm going to go ahead and tap that. And those might say something else for you depending on the settings you have turned on. And then once that's open up, on the left hand side here, you can see different options. So we've got off, if you totally want to turn that off, rock steady plus, and then horizon balancing, that's what we want. So now if you're holding your camera at an angle up to 45 degrees, it'll keep that horizon for you. And that gives you the equivalent of a 15mm lens there. There's also horizon steady, which allows you to flip the camera entirely upside down and keep the horizon steady there. I prefer to use the horizon balancing like that. And now when I film, even if my camera is a little bit crooked, that horizon is going to be perfectly straight. So hope this quick tutorial helped you out. If it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.